e don vex again. 80 years old man let go on top of kpekus. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. God bless you guys for always checking on me. Much love to you guys. I appreciate you now again. So we wan talk about this old man wey he let go on top of kpekus. 80 years old man. Like this life no balance. 2021 e get the way you take dey. E get the way you take dey. E be like say the mission of 2021 na to dey wipe men. Na so men dey let go now. Men dey let go. Men dey evolve for different things. Wetin dey happen? If all of una don let go finish, who wan marry the women? Both young and old dey let go for 2021. Wetin dey happen? 80 years old papa, you go dey take girl of 30 years old make e dey give you harder. People wey dey talk at that time say na old men spoil pass. I no dey believe. Really, I can't really reason am say na truth. Because if even for Europe here, na so you go see old white go dey toast you, they go see you, they go dey lick mouth, they go dey look your yansh, they go dey lick their mouth. Young ones no go see you lick yansh, lick mouth. Old man go see you, go dey lick yansh, you go say me na call fake. 80 years old, you get wife for house. You say me they give you harder. You won't try the fresh blood. It don't give you harder when you for land up. What did they happen? 2021. What how you take come? I don't understand. This 80 years old man, when he's supposed to go, he go there where container they Sophie they manage your wife where he get. Or even to say even they find young girls, because some of them they go out with young girls so that their blood go they fresh, go they renew their water for them every time. Even to say you carry young side chick, you know go tell her make it they give you harder. It go harder you as you need them. Okay, waiting the family they try to talk. Una want waiting. Una say una want job for waiting. Wetin una say una want? Make they arrest the girl. Make they put, because the girl don dey hand of police now. Why una go arrest her? Una no go look una old Congo papa abi old Congo brother or wife. When you go dey meet 30 years old, make they give her harder. Wetin una be expect? For old man, you know if you go for they see 45 years old woman. May you still go meet that one. At least that one not go feel harder. You know, feel the twist the waist on top of you, or you. If na the man even climb the girl, why he go even faint? I don't understand. Like say na the girl climb and I say I don't even understand. How it dey happen sef? If like say na the girl go climb her, na the girl go climb, because I see the whole show. When he go say give her harder, so he get power to give harder. Oga, so what you go put that innocent girl? Because all this girl self, una all see dey una body o. Yes, una all dey una body. Make una leave married men alone. Make una leave marriage men alone. Make una go hustle for una life. Now you go date married man when he be say 80 years, when he be say he don dey plan to join the ancestor. Na your head you cut a pay. Make una leave marriage men alone. Una go say no. See the result. Una no go work for una future. At your age, 30 years, you never settle down self. What you dey find, they waka, they do side chick, they go. At your age, you never say me you settle down. You dey side chick, they follow everywhere. See the result. Some of una better men go come una way. Una no go like say una no agree marry. You no agree. Now, see the man don die for your neck now. Girls, make una be careful. Make una work hard for una future. Everything no be about kpekus. Make una no dey always use wetin dey una under dey find money. Go say Bible talk say give what you want to get what you are looking for. Make una change for wetin una dey do o. Make una change, it's very important. I just feel for the girl. The family of the man, make they just enter house, make they let people hear word. Make they enter house. Shame on una. Make una enter house. Una brother na him use him hand find wetin he see. Una no arrest that girl. Even if they say harder, you no know say you go do harder for RIP. Make una just relax. So my people, this girl matter, make una drop una comment, make una give people, make una give the advice. A lot of girls wey dey out, wey dey still dey do the same thing. Make una give the good advice. Una comment go help them. So this very girl wey una dey see, wey you see bear RIP, that one na still go do another thing for inside club, like how you take dey do skipper, as they dey do say make dem dance, make dem twerk for some hour for $100. Na twerking come make this one bear RIP. This one come still lose im own life because of $100 wey no reach am take do anything. E get pikin. Now as im come go leave that pikin now, the $100 when e make am twerk, e no go fit help that pikin future. E no go fit help im future kakaka. So guys, make una really take time, make una be careful. May her soul rest in peace. Make una be careful as a girl. Make una stop all those things wey una dey do. How you twerk for $100? You don twerk finish, na make you stand up, na there you for fall. You wan come down for stage, na there you for come go fall. Make una learn work, make una stop to dey do na to just use wetin una get for other, na una wan take make money. Make una stop am. So I go stop this video here. Meanwhile, if today na your first time, subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Make it see help a lot of people out there. God bless you guys. Bye bye guys.